My name's Tim Reha, live here on the show floor at CES 2020 with IAAGlobal Live, and we're with Charlton with BuzzRadar, who's been running the analytics and
So we're the official data capturing and analyzing company. We look at all the social data for CES, and we provide all their audience intelligence and social intelligence for them. One of the other things we do is provide all the data visualization.
Yeah.
So we're capturing every mention of CES across the globe on Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and we're putting it all into our platform, and we're connecting it to all our analytics and AI.
Yeah.
And in real time, we're telling you what's happening, who the most talked about people are, what's the sentiment of the conversation, who are the top influencers, and we're finding out all this really interesting stuff about the show in real time. And then we're also psychometrically profiling the audience.
so when you say psychometrically profiling the audience, can you tell me about that?
Yeah, so we've developed an AI with IBM Watson, where we can basically look at someone's post history, so all the posts they've made publicly, and we can psychometrically analyze them using an Oceans model, so we can tell anything about their personality, their profession, and what they're likely to like and what they're likely not to like, so we can tailor content for them, which is much more accurate than doing like surveys and things like that. So we can do like 100,000 people in an hour, and we can get a really detailed understanding of not just like basic demographic information, but what their passions are and how they're likely to behave and react to certain bits of content.
So who are your customers now?
We work a lot with GlaxoSmithKline. We work with Volvo, generally big automotive, pharma companies, and we do a lot of agency work. We've done a great project with Timberland. So yeah, that kind of thing.
That's cool. So what's coming next in 2020? You have a great radar using your analytics here. What excites you for the future?
It's been a really interesting year for looking at all the trends that are happening. I think that we're seeing the plateau of the virtual assistant, and the IoT is sort of definitely tailing off, and now really it's augmented reality that people are talking about and the integration of that.
Yeah, what's your vibe on the actual waveguides and the technology to have battery power and everything coming together?
Well, I think that there's a confluence of technologies like you said, battery power and incredibly thin screens, and also the improvement in processing power. And like when we start getting quantum stuff from guys like IBM, we're going to start seeing very small, very powerful computers, but displays that can integrate into wearables. So I think you're going to start seeing in the next few years stuff like AR glasses that are actually seamless compared to normal glasses. And then AR contact lenses that are connected to the internet and telling you really interesting information.
And then it kind of blows the whole screen model completely away because everything's a screen and everything's a surface for data. Yeah,
I think what you're going to see is like where you've got AirPods and like wireless headphones have been a revolution in the last few years.
Yeah.
I think wireless visual aids are going to become a huge thing where we're augmenting what we see massively, and I think that you'll see at CES the next 3 or 4 years that's going to become a big trend.
Cool. Anything else that's hot on the radar?
I think the advances in virtual reality are becoming really interesting, and we're seeing high resolution screens, and people are getting really excited about that. And with better processing power, wireless VR is becoming a thing that is coming from less being just a high-end enthusiast product to being a wider consumer.
Cool. So that's Patrick Charlton with BuzzRadar.
Yeah, BuzzRadar in London.
And how do we get a hold of you?
So it's very easy. Just come to our website, buzzradar.com, or tweet us at BuzzRadar, or join our Instagram, and we're always there to help and answer very difficult questions using data.
Yeah, great. And it's great to have them as part of the CES show. I remember seeing you guys kind of start here in 2014, and look how big the display is now. That's great.
Yeah, bigger and bigger, hopefully. Thank you.